Now we are going to learn distribution and density of population. The term population distribution refers to the way the people are spaced. The people are spaced over the earth's surface. Student, the term population distribution refers to the way the people are spaced over the earth's surface. The distribution of population in India is quite uneven because of the vast variation in the availability of resources. Availability of resources. Students, now we are going to learn high population. Students, population is mostly concentrated in the regions of industrial centers. Industrial centers and the good agricultural land. Students, most of the people like that, what are the needs? We need that all the availability in particular agricultural land. Water facilities is mostly in agricultural land. So that population is mostly concentrated in the regions of industrial centers and the good agricultural land. Next, low population. Students, on the other hand, the areas such as mountainous and arid land and thickly forested area and some of the remote concerns are very thinly populated and some areas are even uninhabited. Students, on the other hand, the areas such as high mountainous area, high mountains and some of the thickly forested areas and remote corners are very thinly populated and some areas are even uninhabited. Students, next, what are the factors affecting the population? Some of the terrain and climate, soil, water bodies, mineral resources. Industries, transport and urbanization are the major factors which affect the distribution of population in our country. Students, next, one of the important state, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state in India. Students, the least populous state, in which state the least populous state in India? In which state is the least populous state in India? Sikkim. Students, Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state in India. Sikkim is the least populous state. Delhi, already you know, Delhi has the largest population. Delhi has the largest population. Students, next we are going to learn density of population. Students, now density of population. It is expressed as a number of persons. Number of persons per unit area. Per unit area. Usually per square kilometer. Usually per square kilometer. Student, it is expressed as number of persons per unit area, usually per square kilometer. India is one of the most thickly populated 10 countries of the world. India is one of the most thickly populated 10 countries of the world. The most densely populated state of India. In which state most densely populated state of India? Students, very important. Bihar, and the state with the least population density in Arunachal Pradesh. The most densely populated state of India is Bihar. The most densely populated state of India is Bihar. And the state with the least population density. Bihar, already I told you, mostly densely populated state. Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. Students, the least population density is Arunachal Pradesh. Among the union territories, Delhi is the densely populated one with 11,297 per square kilometer. The number is very important one. Delhi is the densely populated one with 11,297 per square kilometer. Next one, Andaman Nicobar Island. Andaman Nicobar Island. Andaman Nicobar Island. Students, Andaman Nicobar Island have the lowest density of population. It is the lowest density of population. Students, very important question in the lesson. What are the factors influencing the distribution of population? Generally, plains with a suitable climate support a huge population. Suitable climate. Suitable climate support a huge population. Sometimes the coastal plains with a mild temperature and good opportunities for economic activities support huge population. Mainly, job opportunities in large towns and cities attract both literate as well as illiterates. Job opportunities are very important one. Next, dry regions generally support a small population. Mainly, mountainous region, the steep slopes and forest cover support a small population as well. Students, in general, the variation in population among different regions are identified by population density. In general, the variation in population among different regions are identified by population density. Density of population is a means of finding out the number of persons living in one unit. Number of people living, mainly the number of persons living in one unit area is generally expressed as person per square kilometer. It gives an area how crowded 0.069%. Perambalur was the least population. Students, why is the distribution of population of India uneven? Why is the distribution of population of India uneven? The distribution of population in India is quite uneven because of the vast variation in the availability of resources. Availability of resources. Students, what do you understand by the population composition? What are the uses of its study? What do you understand by the population composition? What are the uses of its study? Population composition refers to the characteristics such as age, sex, and marital status, next caste, religion, language, education, and occupation, etc. Students, the study of composition of population help us to understand the social, economic, and demographic structure of population. Structure of population. Demographic structure of population. Students, population growth and change. Population change refers to an increase or decrease of population. Increase or decrease of population. Decrease of population of an area from one period to another period. Population change refers to an increase or decrease of population of an area from one period to another period. Population growth influenced by the birth rate, death rate, and migration. Birth rate, death rate, and migration. And migration. These three make the changes in population. Students, birth rate refers to number of people live birth as per 1,000 people in a year. And death rate refers to number of death per 1,000 people in a year. The rapid decline in death rate is the major cause of rapid growth of population in India.